So good morning to all of you, and today I will discuss cloud computing. Cloud computing. In last class we already discussed cloud computing, state of hardware. So page number from page number 129. Cloud computing, a set of hardware, network, storage, interfaces, and services combined from a cloud. Everyone should mute your microphone. Enamel.
Yes, sir.
Mute your microphone. So cloud computing. So you just remember cloud computing is a internet storage capacity. Okay, just like a server, we can call cloud computing is a server. Okay, but this cloud computing everyone can access, but in internet service, that means in internet server, we can access without that means without authority, we cannot access. But in cloud computing, everyone can access, easily can access. So just like a OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Docs, okay, Google Drive, also we can call cloud computing. So cloud computing is a internet server, storage server, or storage capacity, internet storage capacity. So it was created to deliver a different aspect of computing as a service over a network or internet. So email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, all run in the cloud. Email also run in cloud computing. Why? Because email, if you send any messages, any images, or if you want to attach any images, videos on email, then your email, videos, images will store in your cloud computing. Okay. All are in the cloud. So Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud computing. Dropbox also we can call cloud computing. Google Docs also cloud computing. Got some example of free low cost online storage for users. So manipulating, configuring, and accessing the application online is known as cloud computing. Where we can access, that means internet server. I already told internet. Cloud computing is a internet storage capacity where we can store our data safely. Okay, so everyone can easily create a user account and everyone can access their account. Okay, so users, so manipulating, configuring, and accessing the application online is known as cloud computing. This technology is also making business applications mobile and collaborative. Not only this, copyright violations and piracy have sharply declined over the last few years, as the authentic content can be easily accessed over a fraction of the cost. Cloud computing is a model to enable confined and a demand access to a shared pool of computing resources, which can be released with minimal resource or service provider interaction. Okay, so that means Gmail also we can call cloud computing. Why? Because in Gmail, if you attach Gmail, that means cloud computing will be automatically generated in your device. So I will show you. I will open one cloud computing. Suppose Google Drive I will open. And OneDrive also. I have already installed OneDrive, but not signed. Yes, and Google Drive also. I have already used it. Google Drive. Go to Drive. Yes, this is on my Google Drive. Okay. So Google Drive we can call cloud computing. Okay. where we can store our data safely. Okay. Next is OneDrive. OneDrive, which was previously known as SkyDrive. And this one OneDrive. I will open it. Before that, we have to sign in. Okay. We have to register our account. This one email. Okay. Or create account. You can register account here easily. Okay. And next is OneDrive, which was previously known as SkyDrive or Windows Live. SkyDrive is a free online storage facility that is offered by Microsoft. OneDrive is that means provider is a Microsoft company. Okay, because OneDrive is automatically installed in our computer system. Okay, where we will install operating system like a Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 in our computer system. OneDrive will be automatically installed in our computer system. Okay, and offered by Microsoft. SkyDrive was officially changed to OneDrive in February 2014. OneDrive, that means SkyDrive. Actually, first name was SkyDrive. Next, changed to OneDrive. SkyDrive was officially changed to OneDrive in February 2014. Next is, this means one place where all photos, videos, documents can be stored free of cost. The user can specify the file that they want to keep private or share with their contacts. Yes, OneDrive like a Google Drive. Google Drive and OneDrive, where we can store our photos, videos, documents, yes, free of cost, and we can share to everyone, and our data will be saved if we will store Google Drive and OneDrive in Google Drive and OneDrive. This storage area is a password protected and allows user to synchronize and upload data to cloud storage and access it from a web browser. The service originally offered 25 GB of free storage, which was then reduced to 7 GB in the year 2012. There are 4 premium storage plans included to upgrade the storage space. So, total space of OneDrive and Google Drive is 25 GB. You can store up to 25 GB files in OneDrive and Google Drive also. If you want to increase your storage capacity in Google Drive and OneDrive, then you have to pay some money to Google and Microsoft also. But you should remember total storage capacity is free of storage capacity is 25 GB. GB means gigabyte. Okay, and if you want to increase your storage capacity in OneDrive and Google Drive also, then you have to pay some money. Okay. Next is e-greeting and electronic greeting. E-greeting means electronic. Okay. An electronic greeting card is known as e-greeting. This can be used to wish your relatives or friends over the internet. For this purpose, there are many websites that provide this facility. Some of them are given to you: www.123getting.com, www.hallmark.com, American, and next is www.americangettings.com. So I will show you one greeting website. 123getting.com, greetings.com, 123. I will open it. So now you see, from here you can share happy birthday message, Chinese New Year, February flowers, birthday wishes, everything you can share to your friends. Okay, have a great day. You can share. So I will show you. Close. Okay. From here you can share to your friends. Okay. So wish you a nice day, sunny smile, a beauty nice day. You can share to everyone. Okay. From here. Next is thank you message support. Birthday messages. You can share from here. Okay. And then the steps given below guide you how to use it. Okay. So how can we use e-greeting website? So next is how can we use e-greeting website in our computer system? So first go to website, okay, and search e-greetings website just like I already searched it. First open any website just like I will open Google Chrome, okay, and search website. Any website you can search just like a 123gettings.com, hallmark.com. So now I'll show you another website now, hallmark.com, hallmark.com, okay. No. Okay, so now you see hallmark.com is a e-greetings website. Okay, so from here you can share messages to everyone. Okay, gift card. Okay, gift work. So you can share. So next is how can we first we have to open website. Okay, enable. Okay, next you can scroll and access different pages to view different card designs. Then click on the card of your choice. And step 3, a new screen gets displayed. Click on the play button. Will view the animation effect and music of the card that you selected. Step 4, now mention the details of the sender and the email ID. Then add a personalized message.
So this time practical will be there.
Yes, Abhishek. Abhishek.
Sir, this time practical will be there. Practical,
Practical.
sir.
Practical. No.
Sir.
Practical no need. Okay. So step 4. Now mention the
Okay,
details
sir.
of the sender and the email ID. Then add a personalized message at the bottom of the message box. Enter the receipt details. And step 5. Then click on the customize and send this card e-card button. This will open a new web pages. Step 6. The preview button can be used to preview the animation. And step 7, the above mentioned steps can also be used to change the design of the card. And step 8, after this, click on the send now button. Once the card has been sent, a confirmation message gets displayed. So now you see card. Suppose I will send card. Okay. So birthday card I will send. Okay. So I will open birthday e-card, e-greeting card. General birthday of for him for her. A general birthday suppose. Now you see, we have to pay $5999. Actually, no need. Then no need to come here buy. Okay. For him, for her, for kids, contain. You just remember, if you want to share any e-greeting card, then from a website, from websites, many websites is there. Okay, but in your book, 3 websites is there. Number 1 is www.123gettings.com, www.hallmark.com, and number 3 is www.americangettings.com. Okay.
So
So
this time, how many marks inside question will come?
uh,
So this time, how many marks question inside question will come?
after class, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now we see add to cart. If you want to send this greeting card, then you can click here. Okay, first we have to pay some money, $5999. Yes, that means in our Indian rupees, how much I will say? That means 449 we have to pay. 450. Okay. So after that, you can share e-greeting card to your friends. Okay. So page number 131, you can see 1, 2, 3 getting. Okay. So everyone know here. First we have to open website. First we have to open any Google. In that means first we have to open browser. Any browser you can open. Suppose I open already Google Chrome. Okay, and search any website. E-getting website. 123getting.com, hallmark.com, americangetting.com, and many website is there. Okay, you can search any website, and after that you can share any getting to your friends. Okay. Next is email. Everyone know email. Email, e means electronic mail. Yes. So email,
Yes, sir.
email stands for electronic mail. This is a process of sending and receiving message over the internet. Yes. An email can be accessed only if you have an email address. Okay, the email address is like a postal address. Enter the email address of the recipient so as to tell the computer where to send the email. There are two parts in a email separated by the @ symbol. There cannot be spaces in an email address. Example. So email, everyone know email. So email is a electronic mail. If you send any message, if you send, that means if you send any message and receive any messages from internet, that is over the internet, then you can use email. And everyone know email, electronic mail, and everyone has one email ID, I know. So email ID like a postal address. If you send any message to your another email address, then you can use email address. Okay. And this generation, if you log in first, that means we have to register email ID. Yes? If you open Google Play Store, before that we have to register email ID. Otherwise, we cannot open Google. That means Google Chrome also we can open, no problem. But Google Play Store is a Android application, from where we can in Play Store we can download. From Play Store we can download application, mobile application. So before that,
Yes, sir.
if you want to download any application in mobile phone, then we have to log in email ID in our mobile phone. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
Everyone knows email ID. So email ID at the rate symbol is needed. Okay. Next is page number 132. The two parts in email ID are follows: username and next is domain name. So username, this is the name of the person whose account this is. The actual name can be used or any other name also. So username, you can give your name just like a suppose Ruturdev class 8 @gmail.com. Okay, just example. Okay. Next is domain name. Domain name, which part is domain name? This is the location of the person account on the internet, which is separated by period, and the type of organization is mentioned. The email address identifies the location where an email can be sent. This facility of an email is provided by many websites on the internet. For example, Gmail. Gmail we can call email address. If you send to any email address or Gmail address, then you have to register your email address first. Okay, so like this, I will show you one email address. Suppose RUBR Ruturdev class 8 @gmail.com. Okay, this is the email address. Okay, and you can create your own email address, that is Gmail address. Okay, and Gmail is also called email address. Okay, and we have already learned about how to create an email account. Yes, compose and send it. Now we will learn how to maintain a list of contents when there are many addresses. Okay.